With highest honors, Kinder Lavender will give his Thanksgiving message. A big hand for him.
For honored guests, Board of Trustees, administrators, teachers, parents, visitors, and fellow kindergarten completers, good morning! I can clearly see happiness and excitement painted on our faces. It is surely because great things are bound to happen. It is within the hard work we've done them. Today is such a memorable day because it is our 10th moving up ceremonies. Back then, we set our foot in school with only few things in our head. New stops and even feel well our struggles. Wonderfully, each day was ended with fun learning. We became friends and lessons became easy to learn. All of this happened because of the people who were with us throughout our journey. On behalf of my fellow completers, it is my joy to say thank you for being part of our journey. First of all, thank you to our teachers who made the lessons fun to learn, such as writing letters, reading words and stories, and recounting numbers correctly. My salute to all of you. To our dear parents, thank you so much for your support and love by sending us to the best school and providing all our needs. We love you so much. To my classmates and schoolmates, thank you for our friendship and the things we learned and shared together. It was great. Thank you also to our dear alma mater, Rainbow of Angels, for giving us the best place to learn and play and for being the way to meet more friends other than our classmates. Good job! And of course, the biggest thank you to our Almighty Father for giving us our precious lives and our loved ones. May His blessings be upon us always. Upon the view to ponder. Today closes the chapter of our preschool journey, but opens a new door to a brighter learning and experience. And the achievement we got today is a symbol that we did it to the best that we can. Always consider the idea that being morally upright is what truly defines our success. To the batch 2025 completers, my warmest congratulations. Good morning and may God bless us all.
Thank you, Lindsay, for those kind words. To show and signify